Okay, Dodge fans, walking up on this beautiful 67 Dodge Coronet RT. As you all know from previous videos, this is the very first RT from Dodge. The Dodge brand featured the RT, which is the 440 big block engine, on the Coronet 67 Coronet RT alone for 67. It was the very first RT for Dodge. This is a 4-speed Dana rear end car, X9 black, from the original family. Okay, here we go. And, yes. And as you know, chrome valve covers, the dress-up package, was standard on the RTs for the first year. And here you go, my friends. WS23, 83, 3 at the bottom, right here. 3 is your 4-speed. 48 is red lines. 321 is March 21st. So this car is about to have a birthday. How about that? Woo! Happy birthday! And the Certicard is gone, but there is the holder for it, for the Certicard, for the original owner. And there you go, folks. This is a, you don't get numbers at match in 67. What you get is date coded. And everything is date coded right to within 8 days. The block is within 8 days of the SPD. The SPD is scheduled production date. So you have the original wiper motor. Everything is date coded, even the radiator, except for the alternator. So there you have it. You even have date coded wires, which I put on the damn thing. And that is a real red cap battery. That's not a topper. That's a real red cap battery that came out of a Hemi car that I had, a 69 Hemi. I had a replacement battery. I sent it off with it, and I kept this one, which was the newer unit, and it still works beautiful. So what you have is a beautiful original 67 rather, Coronet RT from the original family. I am technically second owner, even though it's been around like 2 or 3 owners within the family. I am the second foreign owner, the new owner on this car, and it came from West Islip, New York, which is Long Island. And everything is real beautiful on it. Everything, look at this. See? Doors open, beautiful. All the bright metal is wonderful. And this harkens back to the years when Dodge, you know, this is 67. This is the last year with no side markers or anything. And it's got all bright metal inside. See all that? All that trim that's all bright, that's chromed. That's chromed interior, bright metal. This was the last year of this style. When 68s came out, they were all black vinyl and cheapened out because Chrysler was not really making money. See, look at this. You got all the bright work around, just like the A-bodies. Well, in any event, here you go. Herbie Dodge. Got the Dodge letters. It's an RT. You got the big fat Dana rear end. Look at that. Dana 60. It's a 354. In later years, it would be called a track pack. 410s were super track packs, and they would get a oh, there you have it. Let's start it up and listen to it. How about that? Windy day today. And there you go. Thank you, Gauze Garage.